What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again. Today, we got a Canada Goose unboxing. I got a black one with the black label. And I got a couple of more other ones that I've already shown on this channel. But we finna get into it right now. Let's go. If you don't know, I get these from a private vendor. I've been grabbing these since November. If you need my vendor, you could DM me on IG. My IG is in my channel description. This is that black goose though. This is that black goose with the black label. Boom, right here. So if y'all need my private video, y'all can check it out on my IG. This is all black though. This is a size large. This joint go crazy, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with the all black. This joint kinda hard. Right here, I got a women's one right here. And they come with the fur on it. This is a black, this is a 2X, and black for women's. The jacket is longer and it comes with fur. That's about the only difference. I might end up keeping, I have been selling these and shit like during the winter time and shit, and then a couple people still needed them as far as for heading into the spring and summer. So I've been grabbing a few and still flipping them. But I might keep that all black one for myself personally. Right here, I got two more black ones. But these ones, I got two more black ones. These are extra large. They got the red label though. The label is red. That's the only difference between these and the one I just took out the bag and showed y'all. Yeah, I sold a lady 8 of them for $1,800 like last week, and then I re-up, caught some more. I got Bape on the way, I got Chrome Hearts on the way, I got hella shoes on the way. So I'm gonna do reviews on that too. Check this out. I got Cause 4s right here. Yes, these are from a private vendor. These are 1-on-1. As you can see, I have worn these like twice. The bottom does glow in the dark. I wish I could show y'all a little bit better and shit, but the bottom do glow in the dark. And you feel me? Everything about these is low-key crazy. You know, the 4s usually be low and shit, but these not terribly low. Back tag come back up, not terrible. The suede got the print all through it. I got gloves on, but you can still see the suede move and shit like that. Stitching along the toe, the stars under there. But these is pretty thorough. Back tag, everything. Go crazy. Straight like these. Like I said, I have worn these about twice. Yes, they come with the box. Box come in perfect condition. Just tell them to bubble wrap it. They even got the just the retail thing on a sticker. Box come like this. Come with the card. Come with the dust bag. Boom. Black paper, as you can see. Got the logos all over it. All that good shit. So, tap in. You know, tap in. And these only cost $100. $100 brand new. Right here, I got more packs in from vendors. These are LV glasses. So you can unbox a couple of these. So they come packaged. It's like manila box out of orange. Kind of this. You can sell it with this plastic on or off. This should come with a card and verification card for Louis. This how the box look. So you got the indentations on the corners and shit. It's like that. And it's magnetic and foldable. It's really nice. Comes with the dust bag. LV. Take it out. Come with a lens cleaner and another plastic bag. Heavy, good quality and everything, magnetic and all that shit. Boom. Pull these out. This pair is for men specifically. This is what they look like. They blue and they got the monogram print all over it. You feel me? Them hard as hell. But I did pick these up for $36 a piece from my vendor. Yeah, I sell them for about $250 to $450. So I just picked up 10 of them. Kind of messed that up, putting it back, but this is one colorway I got. This is the only colorway I got for men. I got 2 pair of them for men. But you know it's summertime now. Females and shit be buying designer sunglasses. And the product one's looking kind of old, so I put to Louis. Yeah, like I said, this had to come packaged. This shit. These come like this. I got 4 pairs, 4 different designs total. And then I got like multiple of a few pairs. Let's see if this is different one. Yeah, this is a women's pair. Come package the same way, dust bag, everything. This how the bag look. The gold Louis on it. Come with the plastic and everything on it. So what the lens look like. Purple with the Louis. Like that. Boom. Them bitches over there. So yeah, come with dust bag, all that shit packaged well. If y'all are looking for vendors, like I said, just DM me on IG, but I could pretty much find everything. I got more packages on the way. If you're new to this channel, I have done reviews on other shit. Mainly jackets, because I just started this channel in November and shit like that, and it's been winter time, and that's what I've been reselling for the most part. But I got cologne. I've tried cologne. Ordering cologne off DHGATE isn't really the best option. You should probably find a private vendor. I got multiple vendors, so you can hit me up for that. Yeah, take the camera down. Alright, but yeah, this you know, I just opened these 2. This is what I just showed y'all, but we got 2 other colorways and then multiple pairs of each of those. So yeah, right here I got a Baccarat Rouge. This really don't smell like the real one. This was ordered on DHGATE. The packaging comes perfect. It comes wrapped in plastic and everything. I ain't wrapped it in plastic or anything. I got one of these, and I had 3 of them actually, and I bought all 3 for 90. I sold 1 for 80. I went to a meetup for this one specifically. Dude opened it, and he said it didn't smell right, so he ain't want to buy it. So that's why that's like that. And then I have one more that's sealed that I'm trying to get rid of. But other than that, that's all like that. My fault, okay. I got a vape right here. Vape hoodie and shit like that. This one decent. I got a better quality vendor that I just ordered 2 more from, so we gonna see. I can go watch my vape review videos, or they do a quick run through right here. Bro. So these is all 4 styles. This first one right here is the only men's style right here. But boom. This is the focus. It ain't gonna focus, but boom. Got the LV joint. Right? Second style, you got women's. Black LV. The monogram all through there. Same thing with here. On the white pair. LV monogram all through that joint. Right? And on the side of these ones, you got LV on both sides. Right? Boom. This pair, you got LV on the lens. As you can see, it got a purple hue to it. Them bitches fire. But on the side of them, while the glam come to the inside of shit. But that's all 4 pairs. This one right here with the blue is the only one that's for men. The other 3 is for women. So this quick bait run through, man. So you got the double metal zipper right here. The zipper do be tweaking on this vendors, but you got a slight light patch right here. You got the number 4. Well, we got the star on this side. Feel me? On the left sleeve. Like that. The zipper right there, say back on it. You see the stitching and shit kinda off on that shark print. So that's the hanger like this. Feel me? At WGM. And the stitching is okay. The M patch is a little bit off. The stitching is there. The G shape, shit like that. The M shape, I mean. Then on this side, it's probably the most fucked up. This letter right here, it's an H. It's not supposed to be an H. It's supposed to be like a shiny little mark on the nose for the tiger print on the A. Supposed to like match the shape of the nose with some curvature. But this is the DHGATE vape. This is like my C+/B quality vendor for vape. I got a way better vendor though. Right here, I got North Face and Montclair. So we got Montclair down the middle right here. And then you got North Face. Montclair right here. I could put this, scan this badge. Like I just scan the badge and then the website pops up. I do it right here. But yeah, that's the Montclair. We got buttons right here on the sleeve. We got metal, what's the names? These do come wrapped in plastic when you first get it. Metal zippers, double zippers as well. But this is the patch right here. This, like I said, this does take you straight to the Montclair website. This NFC verification tag. You got buttons on the hood, adjustable hood strings. Both sides. This is the padded. This is the Montclair Maya. What's supposed to be the Montclair Maya. This is from a private vendor, of course. The DHGATE private vendor, I should say. Yeah. So this unzip a little bit, show our inside tag. It did come with a size tag right here, and it says size large. Montclair does not use American sizing, they use numbers, they don't use letter sizing. So they will use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to size. And on this one, because it's a replica, it had large, so I just cut the tag off. On Montclair's, the tag could be found right here sometimes for the sides, or like on the shoulder, like up here, you feel me? Or it could even be found right here. I'm gonna unzip it a little bit. That's just the double zip pattern. That's why that's handy. But you can show off the cartoon patch right here. Like I said, this is a replica, but we still got the cartoon patch. It's not done the best, but it's decent, right? So you got all the writing, you got the stitching and shit. And it's not the worst. And you got the set of tags. You can also scan this QR code right here to take you to a Montclair website. The QR code with the hologram tag, and boom, that's how you check the Montclairs and shit. But this is a replica and it does check out with everything, so yeah, be smooth on this and shit. That's that though, that double zip pattern. Like this. You wouldn't even know that this is really a fake. Just only thing that's really bad is like the padding. But I got a vendor for a higher quality Montclair. This Montclair is only $50. So if you're looking for a cheap Montclair vendor and shit, this one is only $50. But I got one that's like $300 and everything. It's a real Montclair. And it's $300. But yeah, this is the North Face. Real basic North Face. Right there. Single zip down the middle. Say white. Y2K on there. We got the Velcro sidearm patch. We got the button in the back of the zipper. On the back of the sleeve. Then you got the 700 with the button and the Velcro. Stay out of the middle. This is from a DHGATE private vendor. DHGATE vendor. Personal link. US size large, A to XL. And that's that. We got pockets right here. And then pretty smooth. Right here on the Montclair, you can take the hood off too. So it'll be like this type of collar on the Montclair. You know, but that's pretty much it, bro. That's all I got right now. I do got more packages on the way. I could do Temu reviews too. Like, I got some shit that I can show y'all from Temu. But other than that, that's pretty much it from the gate. I got a sneaker collection. The video coming soon. Once I get more sneakers in. But that Yeezys right there, human races, foam posits coming, they got some shit like that. But stay tapped in, let's go. It's your boy Clout, more reviews on the way. I'm out.